This video is brought to you by Tribit. What's up guys, we're back with the latest and the greatest tech scoop. Today we'll be taking a look at Samsung and Apple's next big level up. The official Unpacked teaser is here. Xiaomi bringing some new challenges to Samsung and more news. Let's get right into it. Okay, so as we know, the world of tech is moving at an incredibly fast pace, particularly the smartphone processors. In just a few years, smartphone chips are now based on 5nm process, which is incredibly efficient and powerful. But of course, things won't stop here. The next big jump is towards 3nm technology. Both Samsung and Apple are gearing up for a 3nm chip jump towards the end of 2022. According to the latest report from Unpacked, Samsung will start production of its 3nm chips in the later part of next year. Similarly, Apple will also utilize TSMC's 3nm chip process for their upcoming Apple A series chips. Apple has always been the first when it comes to jumping on new nodes. They were the first one to jump to 7nm chip and 5nm chip, but this time, both Samsung and Apple will be on the same level. It's expected that both Galaxy S22 and next year's iPhone model will jump to a 4nm chip, and then later in 2023, we'll see a 3nm jump. Now going from 5 to 4nm, it's not gonna be a huge jump, but as for 3nm, we're looking at 12 to 15% performance gains, while at the same time being 15% efficient compared to 5nm technology. So yeah, future flagships from both Samsung and Apple will be incredibly powerful. I hope to see some new addition with the software as well as some new games to take advantage of all that power. Also in the news, we've got the first ever Unpacked teaser, and I know it's a little bit disappointing because we just have a short GIF or GIF, but you can still kind of see what Samsung is doing. We have a sort of a folding device, and at this point everyone knows that Samsung will be announcing the Fold 3 and Z Flip 3. These devices will be the highlight of the Unpacked event, which is why Samsung will be heavily marketing this. Apparently, the official tagline for this event will be "Get ready to unfold." Now we also have a release date info of Fold 3 and Z Flip 3. We've got two dates, August 20th and 27th. There's some news that we might see some delay in terms of the global rollout of the Fold 3 because of some unknown issues. It won't be a massive delay, just a few days of wait. Now before we talk about the final story of the day, I want to give a big shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Tribit. It's 2021. You don't have to spend a lot of money on a great wireless earbuds. The new Tribit Fly C1 buds deliver excellent audio quality thanks to the latest Qualcomm chip, Bluetooth 5.2, industry's first button design for precise control, crystal clear call experience with 4 built-in mics, and quite possibly the best battery life that I've experienced on any wireless earbuds. All for just $69.99. In comparison to the competition, for example, the Soundcore Liberty Air 2, the Fly C1 buds wins on almost every aspect you can think of. Latest Qualcomm Bluetooth chip, better design with button control, drastically better battery life, and it's more affordable. And best of all, if you use my special link in the description and use the special code, you'll get 10% off, an even better deal, so definitely check it out. Now last but not the least, Xiaomi is coming for Samsung. As we know, they're now world's second largest smartphone brand and only 2% behind Samsung. Xiaomi is gearing up to bring a new Galaxy Z Flip challenger in the form of its own Xiaomi flip phone. So as you can see, the patent shows off a flip phone with the outer screen on the back. You can flip it just like the Galaxy Z Flip. There's also a model patent without an outer screen, so they have this kind of a circular ring. Apart from this, Xiaomi has also filed patent with other folding phones, especially the ones with the outer screen. So there are a bunch of different examples. I'm pretty sure next year Xiaomi will go absolute all the way when it comes to the folding market to challenge Samsung. We'll wait and see if Samsung keeps up its #1 position or not. So that's all the latest news. Both Samsung and Apple, they're moving mad. We'll see 3nm jump from both companies almost around the same time, with production going on in late 2022. Let me know your thoughts about everything in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.